This is a Bailey Discovery Mars. I'm going to take you through the operation of it. In the front locker here, you have your gas bottles where your gas bottles would normally sit. Gas pipe work would come off the top here and down to the gas bottle. We recommend that you use the red propane bottles on the van. Down the front here, you got your water pump. So you take this around the side of the van. And you connect the water pump up in the side of the van like so. Then you drop that end into your rack roll. Just put that back in the locker for now. Side of the van, you've got your flue for your heating and hot water on the side of the van that you need to remove. Water pump connection. Wheels, we torque them when you leave site. In here, you've got your toilet cassette. And in this cassette, you'll put 1 litre of water and 1 cap full of the blue fluid. So the blue fluid will be this cap here. Turn around the spout and you measure it on the cap. 1 litre of water, and that is your toilet waste cassette. On top here is your flush tank. That's 3.5 litres of water and some of the pink fluid. The back of the van, you've got your 2 wind down legs. You've got one this side and one this side, the same as you got at the front. And then we'll go inside the van to explain how it works on the inside. So just by the door, we've got the main control panel. You've got your master power, you've got your water pump, lights and awning light. So the lights internally, as you can see, all on and off on one switch. To fill the water system, one of the first things you'll do when you come in the van, you'll come up to the front of the caravan, underneath the seat, and you'll make sure this drain valve here is shut. When you finish with the caravan, you open up that valve and it will drain the water completely out of the caravan. So with that valve shut, you can come over to the hot taps, open them all up on the hot side, and that will allow, and that includes the shower and the sink as well. So you have them on the hot side. Then you come back to the water pump with your rack roll and pump connected on the outside and turn the pump on. At that point, the water system will fill, and when you've got water coming out of all the taps continuously, you can shut the taps off and leave the pump running. With the fridge, we're going to go to the fridge next. Very simple to use. You've got you've got off at the top here. Mains power. So you control the temperature of the fridge on mains on this dial here. 12 volt when you're towing, so you can actually run the fridge as a cool box while you're going down the road. And the option to run on gas at the bottom here, and to ignite it on gas, it is self-igniting, so you'll push in the dial just here. And eventually when it ignites, this red line here will come around into the green. And if it stays in the green, it is ignited. If it drops back to the white, it has put itself out. Fridge, you've got a latch on top, as you can see here, to lock the door as you're travelling, so you lock that across. To heat the hot water on board the caravan, you've got 2 options. You can either run it on gas or electric. So if you want to run it on electric, just flick your switch down, and that will warm up to a preset temperature around 35 degrees. If you want to run it on gas, you turn this dial round to the right hand side, and it self-ignites on gas. And in this window down here, just about there, you've got a green light. That is actually your pilot light. The red light that's just come on is the fail light. So it's actually failed to ignite on gas at the moment. There's no gas on board. To control the temperature on water, you've got this dial here, which is between 30 and 70 degrees, as you can see. And to turn it back off gas, you turn this dial round to the off position. The heating, let me find the heating controls. Where are they? Oh, this one is actually on top. So, on this particular heater, you've got the dial on top. You go around to between 10 and 9. Hold down the gas valve and hit the igniter. This one works on gas, as you can see. No blown air on this particular van. And down in the window at the bottom, at a 45-degree angle, when it is ignited, you'll see the pilot light. The cooker works the same as your household cooker. As you can see, it's all been cleaned and ready to use. You've got an igniter on the front, as you can see, and then you've got your gas valve just here for running the gas system on the cooker. the toilet, you've got your sink and shower attachment. The shower actually comes out from there, as you can see, and pushes back in. But the toilet system, very easy to use indeed. You've got pump flush, and then you've got your waste flap on the side there. The toilet does turn for your convenience. However, when you are emptying the cassette from underneath the van, you need to make sure the toilet is pointing straight across the caravan. So that's the Bailey Discovery Mars. If you have any further questions on this van, please do give us a call here at the Caravan Company. Thank you very much. Bye bye.